All right, so we're looking at collisions practice, and you notice here it talks about there's 4 types of collisions that we use in Game Lab: displace, collide, bounce, and bounce off. And in this activity, we're just going to pick one that works best for us. It just says choose the best block to model the basketball's interaction with the floor. Okay, so if we kind of work through these a little bit, we have displace. Let's see what displace does. And you need to pick the target of this. So you're going to have the sprite that you're going to be using this code with, and then what is it going to displace. So if we look at this, that moves the wood. So obviously if you've played basketball before, that's not the way that interacts with the floor. So that one's not going to work. Let's try bounce. And if we run that, now it did bounce a little bit, but so did the floor. And hopefully, if you've played basketball, the floor doesn't move on you like that. Let's try bounce off. We do have collide. We'll try collide. Let's just see what happens there. Okay. I mean, if it's a flat basketball, that would probably work pretty well. But let's try bounce off. Yeah, that looks a little better. All right, let's go ahead and try something. All right, for this one, so we're now in the next practice activity, collision types. You know, they talk about the 4 types of collisions. Displace, choose the best block to make the arrow stop when it reaches the apple. So currently, we have the arrow going, it hits the apple, touches the apple, but nothing happens. So we're going to drag this down here. Now, in the previous one, we saw that bounce off. It's going to make it bounce off of this. When we collide, that's a potential. Displace doesn't work because it's going to actually move it out of the way. So let's take a look at just watch displace. It's going to move that out of the way, which that's not bad. We could actually do that. That might be one of them, depending on how you wanted your program to work. But I think the one we're looking with is collide. And we're going to say, oops, arrow apple. There we go. So that it hits the apple and stops. All right. Okay, let's take a look at the next practice activity. All right, so in this practice activity, we have a cart that comes along and hits that one and moves it out of the way. So again, we're kind of working through the different collision. We've used bounce off, we've used collide, and we've seen what displace and bounce do. Let's go ahead and add those in here and see what happens. So it should be probably bounce. Actually, let's just go ahead and throw that in there. Let's give it a try. So we have gray cart and we have blue cart. So what should happen is when this hits it, it's going to move it across the screen like this. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Oops. What did we? Got to make sure you always spell your variables correctly. And I forgot to capitalize cart for both of those, which is the standard way to name a variable. So you want to make sure that the second word in that is capitalized. There we go. So we wanted this one to stop, and that moved it. So that's why we would use bounce right here. All right, hopefully that one helps you, and good luck. All right, so in this collision activity, what we have is we have a character moving across, and let's go ahead and grab that and move across with it. So thus far, we have used bounce, bounce off, collide. Seems like this is probably a good one for displace as a potential, because what we want to do is displace that target and move with it. So currently, character moves, touches it, doesn't go anywhere. So let's go ahead and try displace. And we have the kid with scenery, right? No, not scenery. Suitcase. Let's give that a try. Oh, so another, mess that one up. We want to make sure that we have this inside the draw loop. All right, always make sure these are inside the draw loop or they will not work. There we go. So we displaced that suitcase with our character here. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.